कमल के ज्योग्राफी फंडे अब कभी नहीं आएंगे अंडे. Students, today our new topic is atmosphere. What is atmosphere? An envelope of air which surrounds the earth. It is called atmosphere. We have to draw a diagram. This is earth. And around the earth there is a mixture of gases called atmosphere. Atmosphere is colorless, tasteless, and invisible. Due to the gravitational force, the atmosphere is fixed with the earth. The height of the atmosphere is approximate 1600 kilometers. 99% of the atmosphere we find up to 32 kilometers. Heavy gases and dust particles, or we can say that dense atmosphere, we find near the Earth's surface. Now start the composition of the atmosphere. Composition. There are main three things: dust particles, second water vapors, and third is gases. Let's discuss about these three things. Dust particles. If an area is covered with vegetation, there will be a less dust particles, and vice versa. Water vapors. Water vapors are very important role in the atmosphere. They can change the climate of an area. Water vapors are the main source of precipitation and condensation, like rainfall, fog, hailstone, snowfall, etc. And third is gases. There are many gases in the atmosphere. We have to draw a figure. First is nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas is very important gas. 78% it is used by plants, but plants do not use nitrogen directly. There is a bacteria called rhizobium, RHIZOBIUM. Rhizobium absorb the nitrogen and mix into the soil. The roots of the plants absorb nitrogen. Second important gas is oxygen. It is approximately 21%, and you know the importance of the oxygen. First, The human beings consume oxygen to inhale. Oxygen is used for combustion, and the rest 1% is other gases. 1% is other gases. This is oxygen. This is nitrogen. Carbon dioxide is also an important gas. It is about 0.03%. What is the importance of carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is produced due to the combustion of different gases or objects. Plants use carbon dioxide in the process of photosynthesis. You know what is photosynthesis? And third, carbon dioxide works as a greenhouse effect. It also acts as a blanket and do not allow the heat to escape. This is the composition of the atmosphere. Structure of the atmosphere. There are 4 layers of the atmosphere. First layer is troposphere. Troposphere is the first layer of the atmosphere. Write these things in points, not in a paragraph. First is first layer. Second, you have to draw the diagram also. This is Earth's surface. This is the area of equator. This is area of poles. Second point, the height of the troposphere. On the equator, the height is up to 16 kilometers. Near poles, the height is 8 kilometers. Because on equator, as you know, temperature is very high. The air becomes hot and expand. But in poles, temperature is low. The air squeeze. The shape of the troposphere is oval shape. Suppose this is Earth. This is equator. These are poles. This one. Height on 0 degree it is about 16 kilometers approximately. Near poles it is 8 kilometers. In this sphere there is a weather phenomena. Storms are there, rainfall is there, we find clouds, rainfalls, tornadoes, storms, etc. That is why its name is troposphere. Next is, as we move upward in this zone, height, temperature decreases. As we move upward, temperature decreases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius per 165 meters. After troposphere, we have stratosphere. This is the second layer of the atmosphere. Second layer. Second point, here the height is up to 50 kilometers. B, height 50 kilometers. Third, in this sphere we do not see any weather phenomena. No clouds. Sky is clear. Temperature is low but constant. That is why this zone is ideal for flying aircrafts. In the upper layer of the stratosphere, we find ozone layer. Ozone layer absorbs the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. Mesosphere. It is the third layer of the atmosphere. Third layer. Height. It is up to 80 kilometers. Height is up to 80 kilometers. Here, as we move upward, temperature decreases. See, height, as we move upward, temperature decreases. The fourth sphere is thermosphere. Troposphere first, stratosphere. This is mesosphere, and the last one is thermosphere. Here, temperature increases with the height. First point is fourth layer. Second point, temperature increases with height. It is divided into two parts. First is ionosphere and second is exosphere. Ionosphere is up to 100 to 300 kilometers. Here we find electrically charged particles which bring back the radio waves towards the earth, so that there is a wireless communication system. Next is exosphere. We don't have much knowledge about exosphere. In this sphere, we find very light gases like hydrogen and helium.